Here we are, Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic, getting ready to check into our villa. We're at the Villa Lounge where you come to check in before you go to your villa. Our villa wasn't quite ready yet, so we had to head out for lunch at the tropical pool at Casablanca. Let me get ready to show you that so you can see what that looks like as well. We are here in the Puerto Plata lifestyle holiday resort, enjoying ourselves with the family, having a nice day. Oh, they came out here, picked up the trash. Okay, that's nice. They did a little bit of sweeping of the porch. You know, villa life. I can get used to this all day, all day. It's kind of hot today. It's going to be one of those times where if you don't get out early, that sun going to cook you. Or you do something late. Nobody really out here on the street. That way. There's nobody really out here. That's where we at over here. The grounds out here is pretty big. I like it. This villa, you know, it's kind of spread out here. There's a lot of grass. I thought that was a snake. Looks like it needs to be cut a little bit. And we got over here, we got a mango tree. Up here. All this extra area that you got available. All of this. I like that they put the air conditioning unit away from the actual villa itself. It's behind those trees, the bushes over there. So it doesn't disturb you. My wife is picking the mangoes when they fall out here. We have about almost 15, 20 things of mangoes. So, as you see out here. But I can't be mad. A day like today. Get close to 90 degrees. A lot of little seating areas. It's a 4-bedroom. Sleeps 8 comfortably. And we come over here to the pool. So it's supposed to be about 90 degrees. Probably feels like 92. They got these palm trees out here that look like they eat people. Coconut tree. I haven't seen anything fall yet. When they do, that's my fault unless somebody hurt somebody. It's a nice little spread here. Inside right now a little messy, but gives y'all the option to see around what we have here. Nice little layout. I'll show the bedrooms later. Got breakfast going. It's a nice day today. Our bedroom upstairs. I'll show that later. So it's 4 bedrooms. Bedroom here. Bathroom here. Bedroom here. And another bedroom over there. And as I said before, this is the front. Come on out here. Got all this around. Bedroom tour later once it's actually cleaned up a little bit. As promised, here is the primary bedroom of our 4-bedroom villa suite. To my left, I have the king size bed. It's actually very comfortable. I was very surprised by that. To the right, it's a terrace, very spacious. But what I really wanted to show you guys is what the bathroom looks like. The shower, open and spacious. The floor is very nice. And what I was very happy about, double sinks. Very needed for us, very needed.